1972 Chevrolet El Camino. They're gonna have a soapbox derby here today. Pull the chute! Pull the chute! I don't mind if I do. Hey everybody, it's Wes with All Pistons Garage. Guys, we're at the 2025 Sugarcane Festival in White Springs, Florida. I've never been here before. I hear they have a small car show. So we decided to come out. It's a beautiful day. We decided to come out and check it out and bring you guys with us. So guys, let's get into it.
I was thinking about okay.
This reminds me of the Mass store in North Carolina. Wow. Well, that is an old TV right there. Great day in the morning. In North Carolina, guys, there's a store called the Mass General Store. Very neat, very similar to this. Very similar. A little bit bigger, and it has an upstairs, but very, very similar.
Most people I've seen in White Springs.
Okay, that works.
Sure reminds me of that old store. Yeah. This is the way they were back in the day. Here's the lawnmower that we need, Crystal, right here. Oh, it's not a lawnmower. I guess it's a pulling tractor. Got 3 engines on that bad boy. Hey, day in the morning. Got rat fink on there. Got a little nitrous on there. Dang it, man. Sporty looking little rig right there. Got some bowl making going on. Or bowls for sale. I'm sure they made them. Got a little bit of everything going on over here. Pottery making, cane grinding. Got a little bit of everything.
Oh my goodness.
Doing some glass blowing.
There you go.
Woo, I can feel the heat on that thing from here, guys. That's pretty hot. Woo. Some of the stuff they've made. Pretty good, ain't it? Got some blacksmith going on here.
I like this one.
Yeah, it looks neat.
Yeah, you've been all right, dear.
Oh, Chrysler. Got the 440 in there. Hideaway headlights. 1970 Chrysler. Don't see many of these days.
No, they're pretty rare.
Yeah. Man, look at the trunk space in that thing. Great day.
Bodies in there.
Yeah. This is the car you wanted to take to the drive-in.
Oh, yeah.
You pay one and take the rest of the family in the trunk. But these things ride excellent. They ride excellent. That's right. That's right. '55 Chevrolet Bel Air. Don't see many of them with the regular engine. Most of them's been modified or got LS in there, but this one looks all pretty much original.
I like this one.
Very nice car. Got us a Nova here. SS.
Don't forget the muscle car
'52 Chevy Fastback. Kind of looks like it just comes straight out of Happy Days. Got the twice pipes, dual exhaust. Pretty neat. '48 Willys Jeepster. Pretty neat.
That one's modern class.
4-cylinder. I'll be dang. A 4-door dually here.
Where's the mom? Modern classic. 92 or what?
Yeah.
It's actually a diesel.
Yep, I see that. I see that.
We'd appreciate it when you pick up your ballot if you'd remember it.
Alrighty. I remember these first come out. Hey, how you doing? '39 Ford standard. Small block Chevrolet. A lot of them you see modified have the small block Chevrolet, but good looking car, good looking ride. Got us a square body here. Sporting a big block. Good looking ride. All right. 1968 Jeep. Looks like they've restored it back to period correct.
Standards of the day, and they did it for the 5 times.
Even got the jerry can on the back, gas can.
They do.
24-hour towing rig here. Ozzy's Towing, Lake City, Florida. Guys, we did a video on a towing museum in Chattanooga, Tennessee. I'll put the link down in the description. Very nice video. Didn't realize there was so much history behind towing trucks. If you check that video out, I'll have it in the description.
Check out that seat in there too.
Woo. Yeah, I see that. I just went to a towing museum in Chattanooga, Tennessee.
Yep, I want to go to that so bad, and I just haven't had time. I think we're going to go up to this next time to do it.
Hi, Uncle Ozzy. Hi, Uncle Ozzy.
Hey.
1955 GMC tow truck. Got the Mater looking design going on here. Got us a dually, 3500 here.
Eat rice, potatoes, make you
What?
That's it.
Got us a El Camino. Sporting a big block. Very clean under here. Like the color. 1972 Chevrolet El Camino. Looks good. Very nice looking car. Guys, they're gonna have a soapbox derby here today. Here's a couple of the contestants right here, competitors. So there's the ramp. They'll be starting on, and then they'll wind up down at the hay bales, all the way down to the very bottom. We'll see if we can check this out for you. A couple more competitors over here. Bubba's Battleship. Man, he got suspension work on the front of that thing. Check out the chain steering. Check out how you steer that bad boy. Man, disc brakes. We ain't playing around with this. Pretty neat looking rig. Got a couple more right here. Looks like an old retired racing cart frame there. Seen a couple of these made out of shopping cart buggies. Whew. This one's mostly wood and some frame on it. All right.
Check out the rack and pinion steering. Probably off a golf cart, no doubt. It's all right. Another one with rack and pinion steering. All right, guys, they're getting ready to start. Your ramp is way up there, and they're going to come down, go over these ramps, bumps, all the way down to the finish down there. So see if we can get it caught for you, get it captured on video. All right, looks like we got us a test subject right here. Got the bubbles going out. Here we go. Practice run number 2. Practice run number 3. Here they come. Headed to the car wash. Looks like we got plenty of suds going on here. Oh, made it through the car wash. Made it through the S-turn. Uh-oh, we got a little speed going on here. Got a little speed. I think this is the fastest one yet.
Come on, Lenny!
Pull the chute, pull the chute. Wow. All right, guys, that's going to conclude the 2025 Sugarcane Festival here in High Springs, Florida. I hope you enjoyed it. We enjoyed visiting and watching the Soapbox races, and we enjoyed it. So we took you guys along with us. Thank you for liking. Thank you for sharing. Thank you for subscribing. Have a great day, guys.